NBC29 forecast.
And on this first day of July, Mother Nature has certainly put on her little fireworks display this afternoon with some splash and dash storms. We're still dealing with that activity. We've been rain cooled in many locations, but it is a steam bath out there, even if you've seen the storms. We'll stop this, but the general motion of these showers and thunderstorms have been off to the southeast. Earlier this afternoon, some trees down in the Free Union area, also near Carter Mountain from some of the storms that came through. They kind of pulse to severe levels. They don't stay at that level for a long time, but they can briefly put some downdrafts with some 60-mile-per-hour gusts and some hail. Thankfully, within the last hour and a half, we haven't had any warnings. Now, again, you can see some showers here from Culpeper down toward the Rapidan into Orange. We'll go a little farther to the west, Doylesville, back to Cremora. Activities drifting out toward Owensville. This may eventually work toward Charlottesville. And then we've got some activity near Wintergreen, Beech Grove, and just north of Lovingston drifting off to the southeast. A little shower here toward Lake Monticello, headed toward Wildwood as it continues to move off to the southeast as well. So the general movement is off to the southeast. This in combination with a little disturbance aloft around an area of low pressure well to our north and some daytime heating. Matter of fact, there's our time lapse as the storm moved in during the 3:30 to about 4 o'clock hour. We had a peak gust here of 30 miles an hour, and our rainfall just over 8/10, nearly 9/10 of an inch of rainfall. Made it up to 91, and when the storm hit, we went down to 71. Right now, we've recovered to 80, but it is quite humid. 83, the current reading in Stanton, 89 the afternoon high. The airport in Weir's Cave saw some rain from earlier. So temperatures, again, if you've been rain cooled, many of us have, or just the proximity of a storm, now temperatures are trying to recover a little bit, but most of us are in the 80s. Tonight, we'll see numbers between the mid to upper 60s. There'll certainly be some areas of fog, and those evening storms will fade away pretty quickly before midnight. And then temperatures tomorrow, upper 80s to low 90s. It'll be hot, maybe a little less humid, but overall the late week's a lot drier in terms of rain chances for tomorrow and Friday. Friday, low to mid 90s, and as we kick off the Independence holiday weekend, it'll still be plenty hot, it'll be humid, and during the afternoon there'll be some scattered thunderstorms around, but no washout. There's a storm that's off the New England coast. It's been there for several days. It's drifted a little farther south this afternoon, and some energy that rotates around that along with the daytime heating has helped to fire off some of the storms. Again, it's quite muggy. Dew points are high, upper 60s, lower 70s, and may catch a little break tomorrow. But again, activity in terms of a shower thunderstorm early this evening. Overnight, partly cloudy to mostly clear skies, areas of fog in the morning, especially areas that saw rain. And then tomorrow afternoon, upper 80s, low 90s, plenty hot. And we'll kind of do that all again on Friday, except even hotter. Friday afternoon, most of us will be in the low and mid 90s. The chance of rain goes down here for the late week. So Saturday is Independence Day, July the 4th, and temperatures in the low to mid 90s, and again a few storms, and hopefully those will die off before the fireworks display around 9:15 and the like. So an evening shower, storm fades away, muggy, some areas of fog, mid to upper 60s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast as we head toward the Independence holiday weekend. It's plenty hot. It's certainly a July forecast, and storm chances this weekend and early next week. We'll be right back.